Hello. Today I'm going to show how to deploy a Python package managed with Poetry to PyPi. The first thing we need to do is we need to get a PyPi account. If you don't already have one, you can register. What it'll do is it'll ask you your information, including your name, email address, username, and a password. After you do that, it will send an email to your email address for you to confirm the registration. Before you can go on to the next step, you'll have to confirm your account. The first thing we need to do is we need to log into PyPi. And if you see this option here, Account Settings, you can click that, and this will allow you to create an API key, an API token. So simply click Add API Token. And you can specify what the project should be for. So I'm going to go ahead and say that this should be Poetry Package Template. Now, if you don't have any projects yet, when you select Scope, the only option available here will be Entire Account All Projects. So select that option. After you deploy, after you have some projects up, you can revoke these keys and create new keys and have one key per project. So now what we'll do is we'll click Add Token. We're going to have to grab our token. So grab that token now, copy it. You're going to want to use this. What I have here is I have a template for poetry. If you're curious about the template, here's the link to the repository. If you'd like, you can build a poetry package from this template. Now there's a few options, which I have documented here in the README. The simplest option in order to deploy is simply to set some environmental variables with export. You'll have to set, if you want to use a token, the username to be __token __. Then let's also export the PyPi password, which is your entire token. From here, it's very simple. You can simply run poetry, publish. If you haven't already built the package, you can include the build flag. If you have, you can ignore this, or you can still include it. It will ask you whether or not you want to build again. And then pass the username as username. The password as the password. And this will go ahead and publish to PyPi. When it's done, going back to PyPi and looking at your account, you'll see your projects. And if you notice, there was the latest release 20 seconds ago. And this was release 0.1.1, which corresponds to the release I have here in pyproject.toml. And that's it for pushing a poetry package to PyPi. Thank you.